not guilty on all counts for former officer Jeffrey Bolger. In the end, she felt that the dog posed a risk to the public and that the officers did all they could by following protocol. Supporters of the dog and the dog's owner highly disagree, calling it an outrage.
She's very, very upset and disappointed in the ruling today. She really can't talk right now.
Friends of Sarah Gossard comfort her after Baltimore Circuit Court Judge Melissa Finn found former Baltimore police agent Jeffrey Bolger not guilty on all counts in the killing of her dog in June of last year. Through a statement on Gossard's Facebook page, she voiced how frustrated she was, saying in part, quote, "I don't feel that justice was served, but I can only hope that Nala's death has raised animal cruelty awareness. I would never want anyone to go through what I've been through," unquote. Bolger's attorneys say the evidence, or lack thereof in this case, spoke for itself.
We are very grateful that the court based its decision on the facts, not on the rumors and the gossip that have spread on social media, but the facts and the evidence that were presented during the trial.
In a lengthy explanation, Judge Finn said she felt most of the state's witnesses are not credible as some of their statements contradicted each other. She said the arriving officer testified that Bolger said, "I'm going to gut this thing," but an EMT said that Bolger said, "This dog is going to have to be euthanized." She also felt the veterinarian who performed the necropsy on the dog is biased in her report, saying the dog died from bleeding out when there's not enough data to prove that. The judge said Bolger and his partner, Thomas Schmidt, did the best they could given the situation. The dog, foaming at the mouth, bit a pregnant woman and was very hard to get under control. They followed protocol using a dog pole, which she feels choked the dog to death before Bolger, in a last-ditch effort, cut the dog's throat.
So rather than have a dog suffer needlessly, a dog that was going to be tested for rabies in any event, he decided to make an incision.
This was the behavior of a dog that was frightened and trying to exit the situation over and over again. So I really would hope that in the future we can provide some education on that.
Supporters, including the city's Anti-Animal Abuse Advisory Commission, say the dog was just scared and died needlessly. Now, the state's attorney's office earlier this afternoon sent us a statement saying in part, quote, "While today's decision is disappointing, it will not deter us from pursuing and prosecuting those who commit heinous acts against animals," unquote. We asked Bolger as he was leaving the courthouse today if he planned on trying to get his job back since his attorneys say he was forced into retirement. He did not comment, and neither did his attorneys. We're live outside of Courthouse East downtown tonight. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.